there any network issue? It is only buffering.
मैम आ तो रहा हूँ मैं कंटिन्यूसली.
Yes, Umar? What did you say?
मैम आ रहा हूँ ना मैं कंटिन्यूसली.
Okay. Sharad, you just share this problem to the maths teacher also. Okay. Just share the what has happened today. You just share with this maths also, so that it will not happen.
Okay, ma'am.
So we will see some few problems on investment multiplier. What we have seen few equations of investment multiplier. So with that, we will do some problem today. Few problems so that we can finish that chapter, complete that chapter, and move to the next chapter, which is a continuation. Excess demand. Which is the chapter now going on? Can anybody say?
Income determination and multiplier.
Very good. I'm so happy.
Income determination and multiplier.
Okay, income determination and multiplier. That is what we are doing now. And the next is excess demand and deficient demand. So this is a continuation with our equilibrium and all. AD is more and AS is more, like that. So we will continue. That's a small lesson. We will continue that after this. Then we will go back to national income calculation. Okay, then we will come in. That was actually the first chapter, second chapter, and we left it because it was like we thought, okay, we can do it in the offline classes, but now being an important lesson, we will not leave it. We will start doing it. Measurement of national income. After this, we will start. Okay, and then after that, only few lessons are left in this macroeconomics. And very small lessons like a foreign exchange theory-based topics, not problem-based. That's very easy and simple topic. After that, after national income calculation, you just understand that major part of the portion is over. After that, we will go to the economic development. After national income calculation, we will do with economic development. So today we will do some problems in investment multiplier. Write a question, and I need maximum participation. What are the 2-3 important equations you have seen in this connection, Manvi? When I taught you investment multiplication, what are the 2-3 important equations you have seen?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, investment multiplier is the ratio of increase in income, or we can say change in income due to the increase in the investment. So we can write K is equal to change in income upon change in income upon change in investment. And then we have also studied with the multiplier relationship with MPC. So we get the equation is that is K is equal to 1 upon 1 minus MPC. So we can also write K is equal to 1 upon MPS.
Okay, very good. I hope all the others will also understand the things. So these are the equations, important equations you have to remember in connection with these problems. Okay, and how many problems you have so far done, Manvi?
Ma'am, 2. Oh, ma'am, 3.
Which was the third one? Do you remember?
Yes, ma'am.
What was the
The
answer?
fourth.
0.25 is the answer of that. Like in an economy, income generator is 4 times.
Yes, ma'am. It is 4 times to the increase in investment something.
Okay, fine. Write the next question. In an economy, the marginal propensity to consume is 0.8. The marginal propensity to consume is 0.8. If the investment increases by 1,000 crores, if the investment increases by 1,000 crores, calculate the total increase in income. Calculate the total increase in income.
5,000.
Yeah. But you have to write it in the proper way. Simply you write 5,000. You won't get the weightage. Who answered me? Is it Keshav? Who answered me just now? Who said it is 5,000 is the answer?
What, ma'am?
You said the answer.
Yes, ma'am.
You have to write better. It is in the proper order. First of all, you have to find out K because you are given the marginal propensity to consume. First of all, you have to write
Ma'am,
the
five.
equation even. You have to write
Ma'am,
the
K is
equation.
equal to
Yeah,
K
K
is
is
equal to
equal to 1 by
5.
1 minus MPC. You have to write K is equal to 1 by 1 minus MPC. Then you get 1 by 0.2, isn't it? 1 by 0.2, that is 5. K is equal to 5. Isn't it, Manvi?
Yes, ma'am.
Then you only now told three equation. In one of the equation goes like a K is equal to change in income upon change in investment. So that you can substitute here. You have the K, you have now 5 is the K, and what is the change in change in income? Change in income is how much? Change in income is not given. What is given? Change in investment. Change in
Yes, ma'am.
investment is so change in investment. So you can write 5 is equal to change in income, that is delta y upon 1,000, because change in investment is given. So the change in income is equal to 5,000. Yeah, you have to write it
Yes,
in the
ma'am.
proper order. Otherwise, you won't get the full weightage. Okay, Keshav?
Yes, ma'am. उसके बाद ही निकाला था मैम.
Another thing I have to tell you, Keshav, when you write the answers, try to write it point wise. Just don't write it like you write the English exam and all. You just don't fill the points in the paragraph. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Every point should be like you just write it as number it and write it. If you don't like to number it, you just can put dot and write it. So it should be visible. Don't club it and write. So the teacher has to like okay, yeah, I am checking only 24 papers, but the particular teacher when they check the board exam paper, they have to give more serious effort to find out what you have written. So that much time they don't
Okay,
have.
ma'am.
So always try to don't club the answers, key points here and there. So don't like that. You just arrange it in the proper manner so that not your points are not getting it's otherwise it will go unnoticed. Make it sure
Okay.
that it is visible. Okay.
Okay.
Then. So I hope you got the answer. Should I do it on the board? Yeah, all of you got the answer.
Ma'am, got that.
Karthik, you got the answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Sandhya?
Yes, ma'am.
Sharat? Sharat, where are you?
Yes,
Got the
in
answer?
the class.
Shrestha?
Yes,
Answer,
ma'am.
Mila?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Vishwas? Vishwas, did you get the answer? No response. Okay, let us go to the next question. In an economy, 60% of 60% of increased income is spent on consumption. 60% of the increased income is spent on consumption. If 4 crores are invested in a project, 4 crores are invested in a project. Find out the increase in income and saving. Find out the increase in income and saving. It's just like the previous question, very same. But one more thing is asked. Saving is also asked. Find out the increase in income and saving.
Ma'am, increase in income is 10 crore.
Ma'am, increase in investment is 10 crore
Hmm.
and increased in saving is equal to 4 crores.
Yeah. Let others also do it. What you will do? First of all, you write your MPC is given, that is 0.6. 60% means what? 60 by 100, that is 0.6. MPC is equal to 60 by 100. All of you write MPC is equal to 60 by 100, that is 0.6. Therefore, K is equal to 1 by 1 minus MPC. That is 1 by 1 minus 0.4. Sorry, 1 by 0.4. 1 by 1 minus 0.6, that is 1 by 0.4. So how much is K? How much is the
5
K?
by 2.
2.5.
Ma'am, 2.5.
Ma'am, 2.5.
K मिल गया है. And now you know how to connect this K with the increased income and the increased investment. The way to connect K with increased income and increased investment is that formula K is equal to change in Y upon change in I. K is equal to change in Y upon change in I. What is given? What is given? Change in I is given. Sorry, change in I is given. Change in Y is not given. Change in I is given, right? 2.5 is given. That is K is equal to change in Y upon change in I. Substitute 2.5 is equal to change in Y upon 4. Change in Y upon 4. Therefore, change in Y is equal to 2.5 into 4. Change in Y is equal
10
to 2.5.
crores.
10 crores. Now, what is increased income? Increase in income means what? Marginal propensity. Sorry. Increase in saving means what? Out of increase project, find out the increase in income.
Increase in income in investment is equal to increase in saving.
Sorry.
Increase in investment equals to increase in saving. Equilibrium. I equals to S.
I is equal to?
S.
Okay. So you are already given the MPS. MPC is given 0.6. So what is MPC? What is MPC is 0.6. What is MPS? MPS is 0.4. MPS is 0.4. 0.4 into what is the level of income here? 10 CR. 10 CR is the level of income you have here. Additional income is 10 crore. You got the additional income 10 crores. What is MPS in this case? Shrestha, what is MPS?
My MPS is equal to 1 minus MPC.
That means here 1 minus 0.6. Kitna milega? 0.4.
0.4.
So here your MPS is equal to 0.4. You are asked what is your increased saving. Increased saving means your MPS. That means at that level of income, what is your increased saving? So if MPS is 0.4, that 0.4 into Y. 0.4 into Y means at that level of income, what is your saving? So 0.4 is your saving propensity. 0.4 is your saving propensity. Marginal propensity to save is 0.4. So 0.4 into what is the level of income? 10 crore. That's your saving. That's your saving. So how much is your saving?
4 crores.
4 crore.
4 CR. अगर यहाँ पर कंजम्पशन पूछेगा तो कैसे लिखोगे? 10 CR into 0.6. What's the level of income? Level of income is 10 CR. And what is the additional consumption here? 10 CR into 0.6. The additional consumption at this level will be 10 CR into 0.6. It is not asked. Only saving is asked. Saving propensity, you know, it is 0.4 here. So at the level of income 10 CR, it is 10,000 into 0.4. That is 4 CR. Siddharth,
Yes, ma'am.
did it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Next question. In an economy, the equilibrium level of income is 12,000 CR. The equilibrium level of income is 12,000 CR. The ratio of MPC to MPS is ratio of MPC to MPS is 3:1. Calculate the additional investment needed. That means a change in investment. The additional investment needed to reach the new equilibrium level of income in equilibrium level of income, new equilibrium level of income of rupees 20,000 CR. Of rupees 20,000 CR. So I repeat the question. Now the equilibrium level is 12,000. The new equilibrium level of income is 20,000. That means the change in the income is delta Y is Sharad. Delta Y is Sharad, are you listening? You are waiting for the maths class. Sharad? What is the change in income, Sharad? Bolo, your microphone is on.
Ma'am, answer is ma'am 2000.
Okay, beta. Okay, let him speak. So the old equilibrium level is 12,000 and the new equilibrium level is 20,000. So what is the new, change in income? Change in income is 8,000. Change in income is 8,000. Okay. What is K? MPC given?
4.
Is also given. What is MPC? MPC कितना है संध्या?
0.75.
0.75. Why? It is 3:1. 3:1 means 3/4 is MPC and 1/4 is MPS. The ratio of MPC to MPS is given like 3:1. That means 3/4 is MPC and 1/4 is MPS. 3/4 means 0.75 and 1/4 is 0.25. So your MPC is 0.75 and your MPS is 0.25. From there you will get the K or multiplier. What is multiplier? 1 by MPS or 1 by 1 minus MPAC. Whatever you like, you can put because both are given. So what is the multiplier you got, Siddharth? Multiplier kitna mila? Siddharth, what do you get as a multiplier?
4.
एक बार और बोलो.
4.
Okay, 4 is the multiplier. Now you know how to relate this multiplier and increase in income and increase in investment through the formula. K is equal to change in Y upon change in I. Then substitute it. Here, what is the change in income? From 12,000, it is going to 20,000. So 8,000. So 4 is equal to 8,000 upon delta I. So it is 2,000 CR. Okay, even though many of you got the answer in advance, if anybody is there who has not understood has to get it. That's why I am repeating it. So the same way we will do if in the three problems we have done, the change in income was given, isn't it? Now, yeah, change in the income was given. If the income is given, you can find out the change in investment, and the change in investment is given, we can find out the change in income. Okay, so sometimes you will be given the change in income, you have to find out the change in investment. Some other times your change in investment will be given, you can find out the change in income. So you just have to find out the multiplier, then the multiplier K is equal to change in Y upon change in I. You have to substitute in the formula. You can find out both that change in income you can find out and change in investment also you can find out. Write the next question. An increase of 200 CR in investment leads to a rise in the national income by 1,000 crores. A rise in the national income by 1,000 CR. I repeat, an increase in 200 CR in investment leads to a rise in the national income by 1,000 CR. Find out MPC. Find out MPC.
Ma'am, 0.8.
0.8 is the
MPC.
If MPS is asked, you
MPC.
can write 0.2, isn't it? Path. Parth,
Yes, ma'am.
did you get the answer?
Yes, ma'am.
कैसे करोगे इसको? With the direct equation, K is equal to change in income upon change in investment. That is delta Y upon delta I. दोनों दिया हुआ है.
Yes.
Delta Y कितना दिया है? 1,000. Delta I कितना दिया है? 200. You will get multiplier K.
Yes, ma'am.
ठीक है?
Okay.
You will get multiplier K. Then how you will relate it to MPC? What's the relation between K and MPC, Parth?
Yes, ma'am.
K और MPC का relation क्या है?
Ma'am,
नोट्स में याद भूल गया. याद करके देखो.
मैम वो मैम थोड़ा रिवीजन
K
नहीं
is
कर.
equal to K is equal to what's the relation between K and MPC?
मैम मैम याद नहीं है.
Ishansh? Ishansh? Ishansh, are you there? Okay, Karthik, tell me what's the relation between K and MPC?
Ma'am, K equals to 1 upon 1 minus MPC.
Yeah, K is equal to 1 upon 1 minus MPC. So you know K and substitute it, you will get MPC is equal to 0.8. Did you get the answer, Karthik?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So the same kind of questions are there. Increase in the investment is 125 crores. National income increased by 500 CR. Calculate the marginal propensity to consume. That's also the same type. Okay, so many questions are there of the same type. The same type questions we are not doing. Try the next question. In an economy, Shrestha, am I audible to you better?
Yes, ma'am.
In an economy, investment is increased by 300 CR. If MPC is,
Ma'am, 3000 CR.
300, investment is increased by 300 CR. If MPC is 2 by 3, if MPC is 2 by 3, calculate increase in national income. Calculate increase in national income. So don't get confused with this change in the terms. Increase in national income means change in income, that's all. Okay. So it is asked what is calculate the increase in national income. That means the change in income is asked. Change in investment is given. So don't get confused with the change in the terms.
900 crore.
Yeah. So what is, I just gave this question to understand the change in the language. Calculate the increase in the national income means you have to find out the change in income, and change in investment is given, and MPC given. How much is the MPC? 2 by 3. So what is the, how much is the multiple? 2 by 3 means you have to put it into decimal, okay? Otherwise also you will get K. 2 by 3 means 0.33. 2 by 3, that is MPC is 0.33. So you will get K 1 by 1 minus 0.33. Sorry, 2 by 3 is 0.66. You know? What is 2
No,
by
ma'am.
0.66?
Ma'am, 1 minus MPC is equal to 0.33.
Yes. You can straight away put MPS also, but MPS is not given. Write 1 minus MPC. Actually, I said it wrong, na Manvi. That is why I was saying 1 minus 2 by 3. What is 2 by 3? I said 0.33. What is 2 by 3 actually? If you are putting into decimal, instead of 2 by 3, what you will put? What you will put, Keshav, instead of 2 by 3 if you are putting in decimal?
Ma'am, 67.
Yeah, 0.67. 0.67. I said instead 0.33. That's what I was correcting. So you will get K is equal to 3. K, you will get 3. Then as usual, you substitute it. One more question. If MPC is 0.9, if MPC is 0.9, MPC, and I will remind you, please be in the meet till I declare it as the class. I'm dismissing the class, because after that only I will take the attendance. Okay. At the end only I will take the attendance. So if marginal propensity to consume is 0.9, what is the value of multiplier? What is the value of multiplier? How much investment is needed? Question आगे लिखो. How much investment is needed if national income increases by 5,000? If national income increases by 5,000. All these are the same type of questions. Just for your practice, I am giving the same type of questions also.
Ma'am, change in investment will be 500 crores.
Okay, change in investment will be 500 CR. And what is the multiplier?
10.
10.
Hmm. Who is not speaking? Is Nandini here? Nandini, multiplier मिल गया? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
कैसे मिला बेटा? 1 by 1 minus MPC. 1 by 1 minus MPC. MPC यहाँ पर कितना दिया हुआ है? बोलो. MPC कितना दिया है?
0.9.
हाँ, 1 by 0.1 minus 0.9. 1 by 1 minus 0.9. That is 1 by 0.1. That is 10. So you got the multiplier. So you know the how to relate it. K is equal to change upon delta y upon delta I. So you will get the change in investment, or if the change in income is asked, you will get that also. So today we have done the same kind of question where you have to find out K, MPC, MPS, or either change in investment or change in income. So the same type of question you did. The next class you will do some other questions. Okay, so this was of the same type, change in income, change in investment, MPC, MPS, like that. So next class we will do some few more questions before we go to the next lesson. Okay. 1 second.